From yesterday's news to ancient kingdoms, history is everywhere.
But how do we know about people who lived hundreds, even thousands of years ago?
History is more than just kings and battles. It tells us about what people ate, what they wore, where they lived, and how they worked. We can learn about hunters, herders, farmers, merchants, priests, craftspersons, and artists. We can also discover the games children played, the stories they listened to, and the songs they sang. Let's travel back to the Narmada River, where people lived as hunter-gatherers hundreds of thousands of years ago. They knew which roots and fruits to eat and hunted animals to survive. Around 8,000 years ago, in the Suleiman and Kurthar hills of northwest India, people began growing wheat and barley. They also domesticated sheep, goats, and cattle, and started living in villages. Did you know, early people did not have shops? They gathered everything from forests or their animals. Other regions like the Garo Hills and the Vindhyas also saw early agriculture. Interestingly, rice was first grown north of the Vindhyas. Agriculture allowed people to settle in one place and build villages and towns. The first cities appeared along the Indus River and its tributaries about 4,700 years ago. Later, around 2,500 years ago, cities developed along the Ganga and its tributaries, as well as along the coastlines. In the Magadha region south of the Ganga in present-day Bihar, powerful kings established large kingdoms that influenced trade, culture, and governance in ancient India. People moved for many reasons. Trade, religious teachings, exploration, or sometimes to escape floods and droughts. Armies marched, merchants traveled in caravans or ships, and teachers walked village to village. These movements led to the sharing of ideas, crafts, music, and even cooking styles across regions. The land we now call India comes from the river Indus, known as Sindhu in Sanskrit. About 2,500 years ago, Greeks and Iranians called it India. The word Bharat comes from the Bharata tribe, mentioned in the Rig Veda, one of the oldest Sanskrit texts, composed about 3,500 years ago. Historians use three main sources to learn about the past. Manuscripts, written on palm leaves or birch bark in Sanskrit, Prakrit, or Tamil. Inscriptions, carved on stone or metal, often to record royal orders or victories. Archaeology, studying remains of buildings, tools, coins, pottery, ornaments, and bones to understand daily life. Some materials survive longer than others. Stone tools and metal ornaments last longer, while cloth and plant remains are rare. History was not the same for everyone. The lives of kings were very different from farmers or merchants. Archaeology helps uncover the lives of ordinary people, who often left no written records. So, the past is diverse. And that's why this book is called Our Pasts, in plural. Dates are counted from the birth of Christ. BC means before Christ. AD means Anno Domini. Today, many countries use CE and BCE. In India, this dating system started about 200 years ago. History is not just about kings and battles. It's about people, their lives, and how they shaped the world we live in today. Next, we will explore the Stone Age, Mesolithic, and Neolithic periods, where humans first began shaping their lives in amazing ways.
If this video helped you, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy history explanations.